Imagine a place that stands in the middle of the desert, but the things that come out of there are changing the pace of the whole world. Yes, we are talking about Tesla's largest factory, Giga Texas. At first glance, it looks like just a big building, but you will be stunned to know what is going on inside. This factory is not an ordinary assembly plant. It is Elon Musk's dream which has become a reality. Not only are cars made here, the world's most advanced technology is born here. Everything from Tesla's Cybertruck to Model Y is made here, and that too so fast that a car is ready every 40 seconds. But this is just the beginning. Hundreds of robots are working 24/7 inside the factory, without getting tired, without stopping. And the most amazing thing? This entire factory is running itself, managing itself. Elon Musk calls it the future of manufacturing, and when you see its satellite pictures you understand why. Seeing this, it seems like a set of a science fiction movie, but this is reality. And every corner of it is telling the world that Tesla is no longer just a car company, but a storm coming in technology. So, let's open the doors of this factory and know what is being made inside it that will change the face of the entire auto industry in the coming times. Before moving ahead in the video, subscribe to the channel so that you can get information about technology first. When we buy a car, we pay attention to its look, range, features, all these. But have you ever wondered where these cars are made and how they are made? The view inside Tesla's Giga Texas factory is such that you will feel as if you are standing on the set of a Hollywood science fiction film. Here you see fewer humans and more machines, and those machines think on their own, work and keep running 24 hours a day without stopping. First of all, let's talk about the thing that is considered to be the biggest strength of this factory, the GigaPress machine. The name itself sounds like a superpower, and in fact it is like that. This is one of the heaviest pressing machines in the world, which can exert a pressure of 10,000 tons. Imagine, an elephant weighs about 5 tons, and this machine can exert the pressure of 2,000 elephants together. Its job is to make large parts of the car in one go, which makes the structure of the car strong and also takes less time to build. Earlier, dozens of parts and welding were required to make the frame of a car. Now the same work is done in just one press. Now let's come to AI and robotic arms. Inside the factory you will see long mechanical hands. These are robotic arms that are fully programmed. They neither get tired nor make mistakes, and their speed is so fast that humans seem slow in front of them. Whether it is lifting a part, putting a joint, or painting, these robots do every work so cleanly and quickly that you will not believe it. And the special thing is that these machines also learn. That is, if a mistake is made once, then the next time it is corrected automatically. Here, the work of humans is also very focused. They monitor these robots, analyze the data, and the work that needs to be done with superfine control is done by humans only. But day by day the factory is reaching such a level that in the coming few years, the need for humans will be limited to just supervising. Now the most surprising thing, this factory runs 24/7. That is, whether it is day or night, Sunday or Monday, it never closes. There is neither a traditional shift system here nor does the bell ring. The entire factory runs on sensors, software, and AI algorithms. If there is any problem in any machine, the system itself notices, sends an alert, and if needed, the backup machine starts. You can also call it a self-healing factory. Every part of this factory is connected to data, meaning every movement, condition of every part, every step, everything is being recorded. This keeps the quality of production high, and any defect is detected immediately. This is the reason why Tesla's vehicles have become so reliable today. There is another amazing thing inside this plant, AGVs, automated guided vehicles. These are small robots that carry goods from one place to another. No human drives them, they recognize their paths, stop, turn, and also manage the traffic. To be honest, the Giga Texas factory has become a place where there is such a combination of technology and production that is rarely seen in today's era. Here, Elon Musk's dream seems to be coming true, in which making a car is not just a manual process but has become the magic of complete automation. Looking at this factory, one thing seems certain. Tesla is no longer just making cars, it is preparing a blueprint for the future industry. If you pass by the Colorado River in the city of Austin in the U.S. state of Texas, you will see a building that at first glance, you will not be able to understand what it is. It looks like a long box-like structure. But when you come to know that this is Tesla's largest factory, you will be shocked. Its name is Giga Texas, and this factory is so big that about 15 football grounds can easily fit inside it. Yes, you read it right, 15. Tesla did not inaugurate this factory in any ordinary way. Elon Musk named it Cyber Rodeo, and its opening event was no less than a rock concert, LED lights, music, Cybertruck show, and a crowd of thousands. The eyes of the whole world were on this factory, and why not? When the world's most popular car company opens a new factory, and that too so huge, then headlines are bound to be made. But now the question is, why was such a big factory needed? Didn't Tesla already have factories? The answer is, they did. But Elon Musk is not just making cars, he is building a thinking system. His thinking was to make car manufacturing a task that can scale just like a smartphone, fast, accurate, and in large numbers. Elon Musk's dream is that in the future, every person should have an electric car, and that too affordable, durable, and full of technology. But this dream could only be fulfilled if the company had such a large and fast production facility that it could make a car every few seconds. And from this thought, Texas was born. The purpose of building this factory was not just to make cars, but to make it the world's fastest and smartest factory. And when we say fast, it means a Tesla Model Y being ready every 40 seconds. This is not a joke, but a reality. Working at such a fast speed is possible only when technology is made more capable than humans at every stage. Elon Musk has called it a machine that builds the machine. That is, a factory which itself is an example of super technology. He wanted that making a car should seem like a miracle, and Giga Texas is the foundation of that miracle. This factory has become a challenge not only for Tesla but for the entire world's auto industry. While other companies are updating old factories, Tesla built a plant based on a new idea from the ground up. And this is the reason why Giga Texas is called the factory of the future today. So, the next time you see a Tesla car, do not think that it is just an electric car. It is the product of a revolution, and it was born in that skyscraper factory built in the same Texas desert which we call Giga Texas.